Welcome again! I am Deborah Sanchez from Real Estate Favorite Home, as you know, and today I want to present you this amazing property for sale in emblematic location, El Rosario, Marbella. This villa has a suitable plot area 1060 square meters and build area 300 square meters. Check it out! Contemporary style, refurbished to the highest standards and designed to combine indoor and outdoor living. Open plan living areas, including along with wood burning fireplace, full equipped kitchen with breakfast bar and integral LED lighting. Large covered terrace overlooking the pool. This exclusive villa has 4 bedroom suites with the same style. This is a master bedrooms and have all the detail that you can think. It's absolutely beautiful that you can feel very good atmosphere inside. Follow me. And here is the bathroom suite. We are now in the gymnasium with the color changing LED lighting, sauna, and you can look chill out sitting. Here it has separate changing room and bathroom for gym or pool. Wow, absolutely, it's very nice. I can imagine here then finishing my workouts. Time for me. I am very happy for present you pool area with infinity style pool with children pool and a swing and bar. Finish the tour for today. Thanks for following us. I hope that you enjoy with us and we will be very happy to show you this property in person. Contact me and subscribe. See you soon.